Chapter 2 Cars and Houses 1. Buying a house. Dialogue 1. Hello, I'm calling about the apartment you advertised.
Yes. What kind of apartment are you interested in?
I'm interested in a one-bedroom. Do you have any available?
Yes, I have one. When do you need it?
Sometime around next week.
Well, it's actually a one-bedroom apartment.
May I come over tomorrow to take a look?
Sure. What time would you like to come?
How about 10 a.m.?
Good. May I have your name, please?
My name is Blanca.
Thanks for calling, Blanca. I'll see you tomorrow.
Dialogue 2. The apartment looks pretty decent. Around 120 square meters, right?
Yes.
What about the surrounding area?
Very quiet and safe. And it's got a lot of trees and plants.
That's good. Is the location easily accessible?
Yep. It's near a bus stop.
Well, maybe we can buy this one then.
When can you make a decision?
I'll phone you as soon as possible. Two. Renting an apartment. Dialogue 1. I've been told you might have a vacant room.
Yes, I have a spare room.
Would it be okay to look at the room now?
Would you come here in 20 minutes? We are right here in the middle of dinner.
This apartment looks nice.
Yes, it has 2 bedrooms. That's convenient.
How much is the rent?
2,500 yuan a month.
This apartment is nice, but I'd like to find a cheaper one. Dialogue 2.
I wonder if you can help me. I'm looking for a room.
Yes, I've got a small room.
How much do you charge?
$35 a week, but don't allow smoking.
Okay. Anything else?
Also, you can't have visitors, that's all.
No problem. Can I see the room now?
Would you mind waiting? I'm on the telephone.
Well, take your time. I'll come back in a minute.
See you. Three. Buying a car. Dialogue 1.
Did you go to the auto show yesterday?
You mean the car exhibition in the exhibition center?
Yeah, it is awesome.
Unfortunately, I was quite busy yesterday, so I did not have time for it. Tell me something about it.
There were many different kinds of cars of various brands, like BMW, Audi, and QQ. Those big car companies displayed their latest high-tech cars.
Sounds interesting. Which car do you like most?
I really don't know. They're all great. Actually, I'm planning to buy a car recently. Would you like to come with me?
That's great. How about this Sunday?
That's a deal.
Dialogue 2. Oh my God, there are so many cars here. Which one should I choose?
How about that black Honda over there?
The car is okay, but I don't like the color. Black looks kind of gloomy.
What do you think of that red Audi? It seems terrific.
Of course, it is terrific, but I'm afraid I cannot afford it. It is too expensive.
Oh, look over there. I bet you will like that one.
Which one?
That white Toyota Vios over there. It looks bright and graceful.
Yeah, you are right. Let's have a test drive first. Four. In the car rental shop. Dialogue 1.
How much is it to rent an economy car?
$19 a day, or $129 a week.
Is the mileage limited?
No, unlimited mileage.
Could I have one for tomorrow morning?
Do you have your driver's license?
Sure, here it is.
Good. Now, just complete this form.
Okay, thank you.
Dialogue 2.
What's the rate for a station wagon?
The daily rate is $32 plus 39 cents per mile.
Good. I'll take it right now, if possible.
Can I see your license, please?
Of course. I have my own license and an international license.
That's fine. Fill out this form and let me see your credit card, please.
Oh, sorry. I forgot to take my credit card.
That's okay. You can pay in cash.
That would be better.
Five. Filling the gas. Dialogue 1. Fill it up with regular, please.
All right. Any other problems?
I don't know much about it. What's your idea?
Should I take a look at your battery?
No, thanks. I'm in a hurry. How much is it?
$10, please.
Here you are. Thank you. Dialogue 2. Fill it up with premium, please.
Sure. Should I check your radiator?
No, that's okay. How much do I owe you?
That's $10.
Fine.
Do you want your windshield cleaned?
Okay, thank you. But I don't have enough time. Please be quick.
No problem.
How much is it?
It comes to $10 too.
Six. Parking fee. Dialogue 1.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please give your parking card to me.
Here you are.
Your car has been parked here for 2 hours.
How much is it charged per hour?
5 yuan per hour.
So I should pay 10 yuan, right?
Exactly.
Here is 20 yuan.
10 yuan back. Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Dialogue 2. Do you still have a carport?
Yes, please head in.
How much is it per hour?
10 yuan.
It's so expensive.
It's very common here. You see, we are near the station, and please remember there is a time limit for 3 hours.
Oh, a time limit? This is an inequality clause.
Whatever you say, this is our regulation.
All right. I think I have to. Seven. At the car beauty shop. Dialogue 1.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Good morning. There is a scratch on the surface of my car. Can you help me clean it away?
Let me have a look first. Yeah, I think I can. Actually, I think it is better to give your car a thorough car care.
Is that necessary? I think it looks all right.
Well, when you take a closer look, you will see the lacquer on the surface is slightly shedding and the luster is lost now.
Oh, I didn't notice that before. So I guess you are right. I'll take a thorough car care.
Okay then, let's start.
Dialogue 2.
You're looking unhappy. What happened?
It is my car. Yesterday, my nephew accidentally made a scratch on the surface of my car. It looks weird.
Oh, don't worry. Why not go to a car beauty shop?
Car beauty shop? What's that?
It's a shop where can help you renew your car from inside out.
So the scratch can be cleaned away?
Sure, it is a piece of cake.
Oh, thank you so much. I will go there tomorrow. Eight. Fining for overspeed. Dialogue 1. Excuse me, sir. Didn't you see the red light?
Oh, I thought I could make a right turn on red here.
No, sir. The sign says no turn on red.
Oh, I guess I didn't see it.
I'm sorry, sir, but may I see your driver's license and insurance policy, please? I have to give you a ticket.
Here they are.
Sign here, please. You can appeal to the court within 14 days. This slip has all the information you need. Please drive safely, sir.
Thank you, officer.
Dialogue 2.
Good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, officer.
Would you please show me your driving license?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you.
What's the matter, officer?
Madam, you didn't fasten your seatbelt.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know that is required.
Yes, madam. It's required according to the traffic regulations.
Okay, I see. But could you let me go this time?
I'm sorry, madam. You have to pay the fine.
Nine. Traffic accident. Dialogue 1. Hey, you are driving too fast. Look at the traffic sign. It says the speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour.
Don't be so serious. There are not many people and cars in the street. We will be fine.
Hey, look out! Stop the car!
Oh, I can't stop it. No!
We just hit the man. What shall we do?
Let me check out how the man is. Oh, thank God. He is alive.
He is injured. Let's take him to the nearest hospital.
It is my entire fault. I shouldn't have driven so fast.
What is done cannot be undone. Let's go to the hospital first. Dialogue 2.
Hello. Is this tried and true rent-a-car?
Yes, it is. What can I do for you?
This is Matt. I rented a car yesterday and I'm afraid I have a car accident near the Central Park.
Sorry to hear that. Are you all right?
I'm all right, but my wife is seriously injured. Will you call an ambulance and the police?
Okay, I'll do it right away. But can you tell me how it happened?
I ran into the guardrail when I turned to the right.
Ten. Repairing cars. Dialogue 1.
Hello, is this Adam's Auto Repair Shop?
Yes, it is. Can I help you?
Yes, please. This is Mr. Butter. I'm calling you about my car. Has it been mended yet?
Not yet. It is being mended right now.
I see. Tell me, when can I pick it up?
Come by at 2 o'clock. I'm sure it will be ready by then.
Thank you very much. See you then.
Dialogue 2.
Hey, buddy. What's up?
Not much, but the brake of my car doesn't work very well. Could you check it for me?
No problem. Give me a second.
Take your time.
Ah, I see. It is the pedals problem.
What should we do with that?
No big deal. I'll lubricate it. Okay, here you go.
Wow, thank you so much. You're terrific.
Thanks for watching Dhaka English Study English.